Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we are going to show you the Universal Yums box for September. Yeah, this is the September box. This box is going to be a fun one. I'm excited. If you are not familiar with Universal Yums, it is a monthly subscription of snack boxes. They will highlight a different country every month, although I have heard December is a hodgepodge of different countries, so that should be really fun. This month's box is from South Korea, so we are super excited to try it. There are 3 levels of membership that you can choose from. The first is the Yum box, and it is $16 a month, and it will have 5 to 7 snacks in it. The second is the Yum Yum box, and it is $26, and it will have 10 to 12 snacks in it. That is the one that we have. There is a higher level of the Super Yums, and it is $41 a month, and it will have 15 to 18 snacks in it. So depending on how many snacks you guys want or how big of a family you are, you can customize your own. We've always been really happy with this size, so you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm excited to see what's inside. All right, Krista always gets to show you the inside.
So, card, welcome to Korea, the map of Korea, some interesting facts, and of course the scorecard based on your favorite snacks on the back, and then our cute little booklet on Korea, and of course it has information and tidbits about it and different things, lots of different recipes.
There's more than one recipe?
Yes, so we have
I'm excited.
quite a few different kinds of options this month, so this is really nice.
And spoiler, we actually got everything that we need to make the recipe from the Africa box, so we're gonna maybe do that and show you guys. So
Your stickers.
these are the stickers. Ooh, there's a lot of yummy looking stuff in this box.
Yes, look at that, it's full of wonderful snacks.
I'm excited. So this one is gonna have the 10 to 12 snacks in it, so try not to hit the camera with the box.
Yes, and find the information about the snacks. Okay, pick one out.
I'm going to start with this one. It says this is churro snacks. So it should have little churro shaped crispy things in it. What do we know about the snack?
It says it's a cinnamon sugar wheat snack.
Oh.
So,
Pretty cut and dried. And it does have all the information in this is in English, which is really cool. This says Churros Land on it. And it has a clear across instruction for opening it. So I'm going to tear it.
yes.
Oh, they're cute. They're little. And you see what's inside there. And they are crispy. You can see they go through kind of an extruding.
Cinnamon.
It does smell good.
These are good.
It's like an extra crunchy cinnamon toast crunch.
Yes, it's very tasty. Cinnamon sugar. It says this snack from Mexico has become a staple snack favorite in South Korea. So
The texture of it to me feels like it would be better a little puffier. It's a little crunchy instead of crispy, but it tastes good.
I like it.
All right, you get to pick.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try something spicy this time.
Ooh.
And let me find a picture for this one because it's
This one doesn't have.
in Korean. It says it's hot and sweet wheat and rice snack. This is a traditional Korean dish. I can't pronounce the word tiki boki, but I did not pronounce that correctly. I apologize. It's consisting of rice cake simmered in a spicy red sauce made with gochujang Korean chili paste and gochujang red chili flakes. Originally served to members of the royal court during the Joseon dynasty in a mild soy sauce. Ooh, and it got a spicy upgrade in the 50s. So we're gonna see how spicy these are.
They look interesting.
It looks like this in the back.
It's a tube. So far, it's not very spicy. I do have a sweet heat, but it's not like burning my mouth. It's hitting me in the back of my throat.
Yeah, it's starting to burn the back of my throat. It's not overpowering, but
it's nice.
But it is definitely sweet and spicy.
Yeah, it's good. My brother's gonna love it.
It's more sweet, and then the heat hits you next.
Yeah, it's definitely, I would say equally sweet and spicy once the heat kicks in.
Yeah.
It's a really good balance.
Yeah.
What to do next? I guess she did a sweet and spicy. Everything in here mostly looks sweet. So, oh, there's Ooh, I'm gonna do this one. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna open it. Actually, this might not be one we can make. This is a ramen.
Let me see what it is. I think that is a
It says
snack, though.
bulgogi flavored.
But I think that's still a snack.
You think? Okay. It
Yeah.
says don't boil it, smash it.
Yeah, you smash it and there's a flavor packet. Yeah,
Oh.
the bulgogi flavored noodle snack. It's an inverted instant ramen in Japan since 1958. It's a huge hit. The Andos company went on to create many more popular products, including the iconic cup noodle.
Hmm.
And so this noodle snack includes a savory bulgogi flavored seasoning packet. And so you smash the bag, break up the ramen, sprinkle in the seasonings, and then give it a good shake.
All
And
right.
then eat.
I'm about to smash it.
Smashing away we are. Sorry for the bouncing camera because you smashed it.
All right, now we gotta dig out the seasoning.
You might want to cut it because you need to be able to get and shake.
We're gonna cut it open so we have room to shake up the spices. Okay, it definitely looks like ramen noodles inside. It's like digging for the prize in a cereal box. I found it. Okay, so we're gonna shake this on here.
Yep, you pour it in there and shake to that.
I'm gonna shake all that spices in there.
Smells like ramen seasoning mix.
I've heard of people taking regular ramen and doing this. Maybe that's all this is regular ramen.
Close it and shake the seasoning mix.
I don't know if I got any spicy ramen.
I don't think they smashed it enough. Okay. Well, it's crunchy and a sweet savory flavor to it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite.
That's pretty good. That does have the instruction pictures on there. I mean,
It's not bad.
it's like ramen spice. It tastes like crunchy ramen. Actually, it's not bad, but it's not. It's
different.
It's different. It's good. It's all right.
Yeah.
Next.
This just looks cute.
Hopefully it's chocolate. Looking at the picture.
Very cute packaging. So let's see what this one is. If you can hold it. This is a chocolatey corn snack with coconut flakes.
Ooh.
Well, yummy. Let's open this.
It says
up.
chocolate corns on it.
Cosmos chocolate corns.
All right. Pretty full bag.
Little puffs,
Yeah, it
like
looks like
cheese puffs.
It looks like chocolate Cheetos. Cheetos. Cheese puffs.
So far, my favorite snack.
It's very yummy.
I like the darker chocolate flavor to it and a little mild hint of coconut at the end. What do you think?
Yeah, the texture is very much like a soft, puffy Cheetos puff, which is amazing. And then really good chocolate flavor, like your favorite chocolate puff cereal or something like that. Really, really good flavor. And like she said, a teeny bit of coconut, not a ton, but a little.
Yeah.
There's a lot of chocolatey stuff in here.
Want to do another one or do that one?
I'm gonna do something that looks fun. This is a honey butter pretzel.
We like pretzels.
And it says more delicious than what, I don't know, but it's more delicious. Maybe it's more delicious than it used to be.
That could be it.
Maybe it's more delicious than the thing we didn't like as much. It looks like honey mustard pretzels is what it looks like. I know that's not what it is. They're coated.
They smell like butter. They smell like popcorn theater
Oh, I
butter.
read it before she did. It's almost tangy. I'm not sure why it's tangy.
It's sweet, and then that movie theater butter popcorn flavor.
Kettle corn, kind of.
But
Maybe.
that really, I get the movie theater popcorn butter flavor on these.
Yeah.
So these are crunchy, so they're sweet, a little bit buttery, not really salty, but a little, a hint, so it's more sweet.
Just the buttery saltiness of the saltiness of the butter.
I liked it.
I like it too. What are you gonna pick? These look different.
These are cute. It's pink.
We like pink.
Let's see if it tells us what these
It doesn't.
are.
It says Crown is the only thing that's in English on it.
So peach flavored gummies, Crown Night Mom Moolong peach flavored gummies. So
Very cool.
peaches have been grown on the Korean Peninsula since ancient times.
And it has a resealable top, so once you open it, you can seal it back down.
And we like peachy
I'm
stuff.
excited.
You can smell the peach in it.
Mmm.
We'll pull one out. It's hard to see in this bag. But aren't they cute? Little heart shape. Looks peach colored. They're so cute. If you're just a little bit, you can see the little hint of pink in the middle, translucent. I wonder if that's a jelly in the middle. Like a
Oh,
squishiness.
maybe. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm.
Mm. Okay, so these are good.
I don't know why they put a resealable thing on there because you can eat the whole thing.
Exactly. The peach flavor was
And you
really
can see
good.
the picture of what kind of the inside is a little bit.
A
Of
bit like a jelly type consistency.
Mm,
It's kind
good.
of, these were really good, and we're sorry for any family members who may not get to try these.
Yeah, we'll have one.
Mm.
Oh, there's something hiding. Cool. This says Chocoheim Cocoa Hazelnut.
Ooh, that sounds good.
And it looks like a chocolate-filled wafer, something.
That sounds good.
It actually says chocolate hazelnut wafer, so
Open it and see.
let's see. Oh, they're individually wrapped.
Oh,
We'll share one.
yeah.
But there's several in there.
So that's nice. Yeah, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 6 individual ones in here. So that's
It kind
nice.
of reminds me of a Kit Kat without the chocolate flavor on the outside is what it looks like.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. Look, that look like a pull. Yes, that's so cute.
And you can, I'm going to see if you can.
I might break it. We might.
Not really. You can't really do that. We're going to break it this
Break it
way. It was going to crumble. It's too soft of a wafer. But it is chocolate filled. Let's try it.
Strawberry chocolate.
I probably won't eat it. They're not bad.
They're not bad, but
They're not great. They're chocolate filled wafers.
they're not. Yeah, I probably will.
I'm glad they're individually wrapped so they don't go stale before we finish them.
Yeah, I probably won't. I might not eat any more.
Yeah.
Those weren't my. Just at the bottom of the favorites list.
Yeah, it's, well, I think it's not below the ramen yet. The ramen's still not my favorite the most. It's your turn.
Next we have, look at this, a chocolate pie. It looks like a little, maybe moon pie almost type look to it. And it's
Moon
small.
pie would be not unwelcome. I like moon pie.
Exactly, we like moon pie. I cut it open, let's pull it out. It looks like a
Whoa.
moon pie. It's crumbly.
We're going to cut it open and see what it looks like.
Yes. So this one looks like in the middle. Looks like a marshmallowy cream. So we're gonna cut a bite off of it.
It looks dry the way it's crumbling. We'll have to see if it tastes dry.
Yeah.
It's breaking apart like the top.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to stay together.
So it gave you the feeling of a moon pie without being overly
It's
sweet.
not as marshmallowy.
Yeah, the marshmallow's a little bit different, softer. And the chocolate is okay.
It is a little dry.
And it's a
I had
little
to
dry.
drink some
I mean,
water
it's not
after.
bad. You might enjoy it.
Yeah, you want to definitely have it with some kind of drink, maybe a hot tea or a coffee or something.
Yeah.
Okay, almost last. This is Queen's Secret Recipe.
Strawberry filled
On this
cookie.
size it says strawberry, and we can see that it's a cookie.
That looks good. So far, all the strawberry stuff that we've gotten in these boxes have been good.
And somebody asked me in the comments one time about one of these boxes if the food was expired, and this doesn't expire until April of next year. So they don't send you about to expire food, which is really nice. You get to try it and enjoy it for a while. Okay, so this is, oh, they come in little pouches.
There's like two, I guess there's only 2 pouches in here, so.
Looks like a couple of cookies. Whoa!
But I am.
Yeah, there was 3 cookies. They got everywhere. They smell really good. Smell the strawberry in it.
Oh, strawberry smells amazing.
It smells, I mean,
And it looks like a little, like a English tea biscuit, a little
Yeah.
English cookie that we use, the digestives.
yeah,
That's what the
digestive
cookie looks
is
like.
what it looks like.
It smells really
Looks
good.
like the texture of a Ritz cracker. I'm not
Oh,
sure if you
yeah.
can see. I'm trying to get it in focus.
It-
There we go. The texture of like a Ritz cracker on the inside. So let's see. It is exactly the texture of a Ritz cracker. But it's slightly, the cracker's not even really that sweet. But, and the strawberry inside is not really
It
sweet
might
either.
taste like a digestive cookie, but the
Very
flakiness of a Ritz
Yeah, it's delicious though.
The strawberry is amazing.
Yeah, it's very, very yummy. I like it.
So next we have
Not sure.
this cute little package of cuteness, and it's blue.
And I don't know which way to hold it. It looks like the little faces going this way, and it looks like it's blowing a bubble. So I'm guessing this is gum.
This is blueberry flavored sweet and sour chewy candy.
Oh, it's candy. I wonder why they're blowing a bubble.
To be cute.
Okay, it comes out almost like a Starburst wrapper.
Yeah, they look like this.
They're in a wax paper wrapper, and it's pink for its blueberryness, and it very much looks like a Starburst.
It looks like the Starburst. Smells pretty.
It is very much exactly like a Starburst.
But it's more tart.
Yeah, it's a little tartar.
Yeah, it's not as
It's
sweet.
good.
And it's very, very chewy.
It's supposed to be blueberry soda flavored. Honestly, it didn't to me taste like blueberry. It tasted more like a sour citrus, sweet sour citrus.
Yeah.
But it's very yummy.
Yeah.
For a little sweet tart candy. Wow, there's a ton of yummy stuff in this box. I'm still gonna go with my favorite as the peach gummy thing.
Yes, me too. And then the strawberry cookies.
Yeah.
And these chocolate
These were so
puffs.
good. Most everything was sweet in here, but if I had to pick a favorite savory item, it would probably be the sweet and hot ones.
Yeah, they are
Those were
sweet, but
good.
they were savory too, so that helped cut through some of the
They were
sweetness. So.
yummy. So this was a great box. They haven't been sending the little yum bags of the smaller candies for the countries for the last 3 or 4 boxes. We might have gotten 1 bag of them in the last like 4 months. I'm not sure why that is. I know every country's got little candies. These are little candies. But we're getting a lot of really good stuff in the boxes in any case.
And it's fun to try, and you may not like everything, but you find something you do like in it, something new and different.
Yeah.
So
We eat a lot of Asian snacks, so this I thought was going to be more of a familiar experience, but there was some stuff in here that I hadn't tried. So got some new taste and new fun snacks to think about and to try. And if you have a shop in your area that might sell these kind of things, you might go check them out. Order you a Yum Box. I will leave the link below. If you do order this month, you won't get the September box, you'll get the October box, but still a good box. And you can go back to the site if any of these sounded good and order the snacks and things just individually from their website. So very fun. I liked it.
yes.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on Beth Unboxes. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, thank you and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye.